Alright, chapter 1. Okay, we are now coming into the chapter 1 already. So, bookkeeping. What do you know by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping, you got the invoice. What is bookkeeping? Let's put a question mark. What is bookkeeping? Do you know what is bookkeeping? Recording, right? You got the recording. What some more? Do you learn in your financial accounting, right? FA. You learn financial accounting, right? Financial accounting 1. Is it financial accounting 1 or financial? What subjects you learn in the first level? Financial accounting. So in financial accounting, you learn about recordings, right? Do you remember the debit and credit? So here is what is it? The debit credit. Everyone's favorite, right? Is it your favorite? No. the guy from behind there. Mushi, do you like debit credit? Do you like debit credit? You like debit credit? How about the guy over there? Rikishi, is it? No. What is your name? Yeah? Irishman. Do you like debit credit? You like, Oh, that's the guy like it. Interestingly, alright, you do the bookkeeping, you will start with the recording, alright? You start with the journal, right? You start with the source document, alright? Over here, we have the source. Source documents, alright? So you always start with the source documents. It might be invoice, it might be, what do we have other than invoices? Have you seen before the purchase order? During your financial accounting subject that you've taken, what are the informations that you see? Is it sentence only? I'm asking you a question, alright? Because I don't know the level of your, not level, I mean the kind of exposure that you have. When you do your journal entry recording, alright, let me just go back over here, go down here. Just add. Okay, never mind. This is what I hate about the iPad. I cannot add any page from here. So, but we got the journal. Entries, right? This journal entry. From the financial accounting. What type of in your practice, all right? In your practice, what do you see? Is it number 1? Let me just go. Transactions of narrations, or number 2 is the source documents. Which one? You see the source, I mean in your practice, in your first FA, financial accounting, when you do the journal entry, what do you see? You see directions like Mr. A buy product from company ABC. See something like this, Do you see also like the invoices? No. So you straight away start with this one. Right. So some of you might be puzzled in your brain what I'm trying to tell you over here. What I'm trying to tell you over here, right? I'm trying to tell you that the process of bookkeeping, all right, starts with the source document. But if you, all the while you have been practicing the financial accounting, doing the debit and credit, and all the while you have been seeing just the sentence narrations, then you might not know what is the different type of documents, right? What are the different source documents? So, bear with me, all right? In this subject, AIS, all right, you will see the document itself, all right, the real document. That's where you will be trained with, all right? You're going to see the real document, and then from all of these source documents, we will be entering into the system. So you don't get yourself cultural shock, all right? We are moving from the transaction narration, all right? Like A buy from B, how much, right? That is what you have been seeing. But now we don't see A buy from B, how much already. We will be looking at the invoice itself, and then you will see this one is to who or from who. Then from there you will identify this is an invoice that you send to the customer, or this is the invoice that you receive from your supplier. It's okay. The first point of the bookkeeping. Okay. Then after the journal entry, over here the journal, right? Bookkeeping, right? You got the source document. Source document, you transfer them to the journal. Journal got how many journals? Why is it important, right? Because I'm trying to show you that this is manual, and then we are now converting into the computerized. Right? This is the logic. If you get the logic wrong in the first place, I straight away give you the software, I give you the steps, procedure 1 to 10, you will not appreciate the software. You will not see what is manual, what is the computerized. At the end of the day, you just memorize or you just follow and then that's it lah, hilang lah, you know, gone. But I'm trying to relate back these two things so that you can see, all right? So we got journal. Journals, if you are with me, how many journals we have? 3. Oh, we got 5. Okay, let me go start with general. Then, what some more? Sales, purchase. 2 different, right? Sales, purchase. Oh, what some more? What some more? Are you all with me? Do you know what I'm trying to do over here? I'm trying to list down the different types of journals that you have learned. Why is it important? Why is it important? Because later when you want to use the system, you know what you're doing. Alright, it's not just see the transaction, enter here, memorizing, you know. It's not fun to do that way, although you can do it that way lah. We got what some more kind of journals that you can see. There's the primary journal, right? Remember that or not? Do you remember the journals? Let me see. The girl behind there, right? Wearing spectacles one. Right, the corner. Yeah, you. It's you. All right, with the face mask. Yeah, yes. What kind of journal some more? Do you know what we are at now? Journals, right? Never mind, alright, never mind. Let me just, don't want to spend the time anymore. I just want to draw over here the journal that you will see, right? Basically, there is debit and credit for the general, right?
Yes.
Then you will enter here and here, then that's it, done.
Yes.
Is it okay?
Okay.
Still okay, right?
Okay.
Then the sales and purchase, you will definitely you will straight away have the total over here,
Yes.
and that's it. This total you will post it accordingly, right? Is it okay?
Okay.
Then journals. Then you got the cash book, cash book. Cash book. Yeah, there's a cash receipt. Actually, I still cannot remember that much lah. But anyway, you will have different types of. You will have the primary journal, right? The prime book, and there is the secondary, right? That do all the returns, all the receipts, and receipt. Do you have a receipt? Cash receipt. What do you do with the receipt? Do you still remember? When you receive payment from the customer, credit payment from customer, what do you do?
Cash receipt.
There's a journal called cash receipt, is it?
Yeah.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Are you all with me?
We are with you.
You are with me, right? So there's a receive and payment, is it? Payment, is it correct? Then also you will have this one, is it? How it looks like. You know why is it so important? Because later when you go to the system replicate exactly the same. Alright? So that if you're not clear with the manual, when you go into the system, you will lost. You will get yourself lost. And then you'll be asking, why are you doing this thing? Alright? So I'm just trying to point back this one again. Then there will be some amount here. Interestingly, I forgot about this one also. But for sure there is a cash book over here, right? There's a cash book over here. Remember this one? There is a cash book for you to record. There's a cash book for you to record. Receive and the payment. Right? For sure there's a cash book. So, for your information, these are all the part where you do the recording, right? In the journal books. Okay? Cash book right? Cash book. Then you got the prime journal book. And after all your records, what do you do next? What do you do after you record all the transactions? Transactions meaning to say the source document. What you do after that? You will post them to the ledger, right? So here is the ledger. Post them to the ledger. Then after you do the posting to the ledger, what do? You balance all the account, right? The balance brought forward, balance carry forward. Remember that one? Or you already vomit? These are all the manual steps, right? Your core. You are an accountant, you should be inside your brain already, you know. Then you will do the trial balance, right? The trial balance from all the ledger accounts in the ledger. You will do a trial balance, and then you will you will prepare, right? You will prepare the financial statement. Oh, this is the manual. Okay, this is the manual. Manual process. All right, this is the manual process over here. You will do all of this. You will transfer them manually from A until Z. Imagine this is what you do last 25 years ago. 25 years ago, maybe 30 years ago, right? 30 years ago, when accounting software is not that popular, your job those days is to write all of this down in a book, keep them, and then transfer them, prepare the financial statement. This is those days. But now, okay, now what happened? Now with the computerized system, all you got to do is only do data entry. All right, your role is to do data entry into the journal, and the journal look something like the journal you have learned before. Same, you will see the same thing. You'll see the same kind of journal. There's a general journal, there's a cash book, there's a journal to record the sales, there's a journal, they don't call it journal, right? They call it, there will be a form for you to record the sales, form for you to record the purchase, and so on and so forth, right? The return and a lot of things.
Yes.
And the best is you no longer need to okay, let me just go down here. From this process until here, all right, no need. you don't need anymore, all right? Asking me why you learn accounting, why you have to suffer through the posting, why you need to suffer through this. You still need to suffer through them because there's the baseline, your heart, that should be inside your blood. But with the accounting software, with the accounting system, you no longer need to have to do all of these things anymore. Posting, trial balance, and generating the report. That is the first differences that you will see is that you no longer need to transfer everything over here. Okay. So far so good. Can you see what happened over here? I'm just exposing you to what is manual and then what is being computerized. And it is very important for you to recall what is manual so that in the computerized environment, you know what is you need to know, right? What is the thing that you need to enter accordingly. The logic, all right, the logic behind this. Is it okay? All right, I will